Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation. Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
What's up, guys? I hope everybody's doing all right today. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see what we got going on for NQ. I already know that gold is at all-time highs again. Nothing new there, huh? Nothing new there. Gold has just been pushing, pushing, pushing. Gold formed a resistance on the daily and now just pushed past it. So leaving gold alone for a little while. So 1 hour closes in 3 minutes for NQ. There was a gap fill that happened on NQ today. This was a pretty big gap fill over here, right here. So we saw this gap get filled, and then what happened after? We started kind of pushing down, right? Usually what happens. But we are still heavily bullish. We are still heavily bullish. I'm gonna stay bullish until I can see a strong bearish closure on probably the daily, or I can see a nice change in market structure, but I haven't really seen that yet. Okay, so what I am anticipating, where is that? We do have a double top here on the 1 hour. Pretty much a double top. Only thing about this is this wick, but it's pretty much a double top. I don't know if that's it for that double top. Maybe there's more. But yeah, let's see what happens. We did just break past this 4 hour low too, and this 4 hour low. So we could possibly see the downside because we also have we have double top, right? We filled the gap. Um, this candlestick, previous candlestick, 4 hour candlestick closed doji, and then it closed doji again. So I'm gonna see something here. You see something. Oh, all right, so this 1 hour has closed pretty nicely. I'm actually gonna let's grab some. All right, so we closed past here. We closed past here. I'm gonna grab some cells. What is this? The 1 hour. Let's come down here. I am currently in some cells, guys. Um, I'm gonna go break even after this 5 minute low is broken. Because we are bullish still, right? So, like overall, we are still bullish. So this is going to be just a little scalpity, scalpity, scalpity. Um, I like trading off of hourly opens, hourly and 4 hour opens. Could just target this little wick down here, but I'm gonna target at least like let's see something here. This is the 15. Oh, I'm targeting 100 picks. See, man. Okay. Let's see it. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna eye this low because if we break it and then start rejecting, um, I'm gonna go into buys because this would be breaking the London low. Okay. All right, so I'm going break even. I am now break even. Okay. Because we just took out London lows. All right, so I need to see what happens here. I'm gonna trail my stops. Trailing my stops for this scalp. Being weary that we are at London lows. We are pushing though. Let's see. See if we can get to a 5-1. Smack my fucking 1-1. All right. I'll do it myself. All right. So now I'm just gonna trail this one, see if we can come all the way down here. All right, so I just closed most of my position at that 1-1. Nice win. Nice win. Nice 100 tick win. Nice 100 ticks. What trading strategy am I using? I am using So I have like two strategies that I like to use. I like to use candle opens, and I like to trade based off of like London highs, London lows being broken, for kill zone times. And we also closed we filled a gap on NQ that has been sitting there for a while. So usually like when a gap is filled, it will reverse. So seems like that's what it's doing right now. Um, like right here. So let me just delete all this. We got a winning trade. Beautiful, beautiful. So right here, I will mark up London lows and London highs. So that's about here. These blue lines right here is the gap fill. Okay, this is the gap fill. So I showed that earlier. Um, I should have put in 10 contracts instead of 5, but that's okay. Where's my money? Let's look at the 15. Let's get the 5. Looks good, looks good. Looks like we had our market structure shift. Yeah, all right. So sorry. So yeah, I'll mark up London lows based off of this kill zones, which is here, and then London highs based off of the kill zone, which is here. So, yeah. Previously, during London session, we retested London low. I mean, not London low. We retested Asian lows, but didn't break it. We broke Asian highs for London. And now we came back down and we finally just broke Asian lows for New York kill zone open. We're still pumping or pushing. We're still dropping. I'll probably get another entry after this 4-hour closes. For sells. I'm going to think this is going to be for sells. Because, yeah, so on the 5, we closed past here, right? For London lows, and then we just continued to pump down. So when I see a nice candlestick like this break below London lows, I'll enter and target like 1 to 1, and then 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Not necessarily a level. Sometimes a level. Sometimes I can see where the level is going, and then I'll target that. But for this, we have a breakout. So if we have a breakout, we can pretty much just kind of target based on risk to reward. And I'm gonna continue trailing these stops until I get hit. But what could happen is that we fill the rest of this range down, this entire candle, stick all the way down here. All right, well, I just got stopped out, which is perfectly fine with me. That was a great trade. I was a little over 100 ticks. Very, very good trade. Very, very good trade. I meant to copy trade that, but it's all right. Oh, yeah, that was a bad account. There's a couple accounts on here that I have like I'm trading like high risk. So anyway, let's get back to here so I can see what we're doing. Got a little order block right here on the 15. We have multiple order blocks. I need to see what happens. Also, let's thank Trading Nut, for this sponsorship. He's a great guy. Support Cam. He has some links in the bio. If you guys want to support him, you can use his Black Bull link as a regulated broker. You'll get 100% deposit bonus up to $1,000, which is actually very helpful. I used that on one of my brokers that I used, and it helps with leverage. I'm looking at this 1 minute. All right, now I'm gonna wait. Because if we come back up into this range, excuse me. It's pretty much my own strategy. I've taken strategies from other traders and kind of turned it into my own. This is someone else's strategy, using kill zones as London highs and London lows, and then breakouts from either London lows or London highs or false breakouts, so. Oh, Lord. Now I need to see what happens. Nothing good yet for gold. I'd probably wait for a resistance to be created, like on the 30-minute time frame. I'll probably take one more trade and that's it for me. For NQ though, like I do feel like overall target, unless if this daily closes the way it closes, I'm gonna say we're gonna start going down tomorrow. And if it doesn't, then we're gonna come down. I mean, not come down. I feel like the overall target is all the way up here. But this is also a right shoulder retest. So I do feel like we're gonna start dropping from here. I just need a little bit more confirmation. So let's say we close past here on the 1 hour, right? I would like to see a little retest probably and then come back down. Where are London highs? They are right here. So I don't think we're coming back up there. All right, I can get some extra entries on NQ after this 30-minute closes, okay? If I can see this 30-minute come back up here to retest, I'd be a very happy boy. So I'm going to put sell limits here. So this would be 82 ticks. So that is the plan, Stan. Got a nice 2-to-1. Okay. I'm looking for that break and retest. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that break and retest. Okay. Because let's say we do retest. Well, then we have a higher probability to just kind of push down. Especially based off of how the 4 hours looking. Okay. But the 4 hour does close in 30 minutes. So we have one more 30-minute candle before the 4 hour closes. So I'm a little skeptical on it. Just because the 4 hour does close soon. So I'm gonna be a little weary. Let's be a little, let's do 5 instead. I'm gonna be a little cautious of this closure. All right. Go ahead and just hop in here. All right, so it just tapped. I am activated, moving my stops above this 30-minute high. Okay. Like I said though, if we come back, like close back in this range, I'm gonna look for buys instead. We also just filled this little gap here on the 15. Some more. Just gonna actually come down. Just bring it down. Just bring it down. All right. We are still bullish. Just might break this 30-minute high. And if we do, we're bullish. Yep. All right, I'm going to, oh, I was literally about to reverse my position. But yeah, I am going to grab buys here in a second. Yeah, we're coming back up into the highs. So what I want here instead is buys. Look at this 5. Damn. This 5 just fucking broke through. Alright, I'm in again. I'm just targeting the top of this 30-minute flip. Oops. Let me show you what I'm targeting. Right here. This little 30-minute, right here. Targeting up here. Uh Let's watch this 30-minute trend line. Because like I said, this 4 hours closing in 21 minutes now. So if the lower time frames are lining up as such, then just gonna wait and see how it closes. All right, so this 5 is breaking past this 5-minute trend line now, or this 30-minute trend line now. All right. What's it gonna do? I'm not in those buys anymore, by the way. I went break even. Sorry, I didn't say. But I need to see what this candle's doing. Oh, I'm selling. So we have this 1-minute closing doji right here at the trend line, but let's see what happens. TP 21 or 2173. You think TP's all the way up here? Oh. I think TP's up here. You know, this is just the 1 minute. It's a lot of noise on the 1 minute. A lot of noise. All right, I'm back in those. I'm in buys now. I'm gonna hold these buys, guys. Let's see where it takes us. I'm holding it because this 5. Is this the? Yeah, this is the 5, and the 15 closed here on the trend. So we are still bullish. This 4 hours pulling back really heavily. This 1 hour looks really good. We're coming back up to these London highs right here. So I can target these London highs. And then maybe we'll start pushing back down. Maybe. We could. Or we could just continue up. It's the 15, yeah. Well, honestly, stops would be all the way down here, but I'm gonna leave some room there. I don't really want stops all the way down there. If we could bring stops to these London lows again, that'd probably be better. But yeah. Because then I'll start doing dumb shit like this. I just closed some of my position. I just closed some of my position. All right, so the 4 hours closing in 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. And I'm out. I was trailing my stops, and my trailing stops just got hit. Trend is bearish. Monthly market is finishing bearish. Head and shoulders almost on top of structure. Let's see what you're talking about, bro. Oh. There is no bearish head and shoulders on the monthly, unless you're talking about the weekly. It's not even really on the weekly. It's on the daily, if that's what you're talking about. The head and shoulders is on the daily. Yeah, so we're pretty much retesting this right shoulder right now, on the daily. So Yeah. Damn. My break even got hit and it's fucking pumping. That's okay. We will get another. I'm gonna get one more entry on this 4-hour open in 7 minutes. But TP got smackadoodled. The top of this this trend line break. TP was smackadoodled. Yeah, FOMC is tomorrow. So, the FOMC is tomorrow and we're pushing up so heavily. We're probably going to continue up. This would be the structure that we broke. This is what started this right shoulder right here. This is the right shoulder. This is the head. We're either going to drop heavily for FOMC or going to make all-time highs. Either or. Wow. Wow. This thing just fucking pushed past, and now the 4-hour has completely flipped. This zone doesn't even matter anymore. What could also be happening is that this 30 is grabbing all of this liquidity just to kind of come back down, or we grabbed all of this liquidity down here so we can push back up. Either or. Let's see what happens. We pretty much just made a low right here on the 1 hour. So we could just be pushing back up. This is a demand zone, so I mean a supply zone off the 15. It's not a really strong one, but it is reacting. Oh god. Yeah, I see that daily head and shoulders. What's up, What's up, Evans? Mugambi. What's up, my guy? Good to see you here today. Hope you're doing all right. So 2 wins, 1 loss. Yeah. As soon as this 4-hour opens, guys, once we get that bottom wick, we might, I don't know how deep that wick is gonna go, but I'm going to scale in on this 4-hour open. Could either be breaking out here, or we could just be creating a range since we do have FOMC tomorrow, or we could just break out. Because now we're above these London highs. Alright, so this 4-hour is opening in 1 minute, and look how it's closing. We just grabbed all of this liquidity down here just so we can push back up. So this is a false break. This is a false breakout for London lows. We're not done yet on the buys. Right. So we have just closed. Probably gonna go ahead and start scaling in here, guys. I got 1 in, 1 in. Okay, I got 2 in, 3 in. I'm also gonna put stops. I mean, not stops. A buy stop above these highs here. Okay, little buy stop. Let's see how this reacts. Alright, so we just tapped this level too. So the 4-hour close past this double top. So I'm going to expect it to start pushing back up after that little retest. Well, I guess this was a pretty good supply zone, huh? But let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and start buying now. Alright, I'm buying more. I'm buying more. I'm moving my buy stop. So now we're coming down to retest this level. This is pretty much the broke past this retest. Now we're retesting this little trend line. We also closed past this resistance right here. So I'm expecting a nice push up. Doing all right, my guy. I hope you're doing okay. Oh yeah, you said you're great. You cannot send a picture on this chat, unfortunately, But you can send it to like my YouTube. I mean, not my YouTube, my IG, and I can see it there if you want to. All right. But IG, Instagram. IG is Instagram, my guy. But no, this is a proper Head and Shoulders on the daily. This is a very proper Head and Shoulders on the daily. One to one. Trying to see something. Yeah, you okay? I just got your IG. Oh, you are a lady. Hello, Jane. Um, yeah, I see what you're talking about. I see that you're saying that this is probably a head and shoulders, um, a retest of the right shoulder just to come back down. That's also what I was thinking myself. But the fact that oh, profile is fake. Oh, okay. All right. Just the fact that this 4 hour closed the way it closed for me. But you could be right. You could be right. Because again, this is also a gap fill. So you could be right. Well, I was also, oh, that's fucking blowed. But yeah, let's see if you're right. Retesting London lows, huh? Keeps flipping. Man, I've actually really maximized off of fucking 5-minute opens and then wicks. I have not been saying when I have been managing or not. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Yeah, you know, yeah, but Head and Shoulders, it takes a while to form, bro. And you must be a swing trader. I'm not a swing trader. You can't even swing trade on futures. Like, it's just not even, can't even do that. So. Let's see if I'm gonna be greedy today. One, two, three. Yeah, you can find it in every time frame, but again, it does take a little while to form sometimes. I also play a lot of off of inverted Head and Shoulders. I see more inverted Head and Shoulders, you know, obviously when it's bullish, so you'll see inverted Head and Shoulders, but when you see just a regular Head and Shoulders, that's tall tale sign for sells. But if you can find it on another time frame, lower time frame, take a picture of it and send it to me. Ugh. Alright, so I'm pretty much done. I'm just kind of fucking around on this account here. Because I only need one account. I just need one account. So all these other accounts, they're like $4.50 a month. So like, I just kind of fuck around on them. Like high risk wise, but let me show you guys something that I've been fucking around with, and that I have been able to make a lot of but yeah, I just kind of fuck around on this one. This is my main one that I'm really trying to mess with. But all these other ones, I'm just, like I said, they're just play accounts. But I'm gonna buy here. Leave this here. Let's see if this 4-hour will flip. And I'm gonna come back over here. This 1 minute, it's doing that thing. We're pretty much down here. We came, look what we did. We came all the way up here and grabbed all of that liquidity. And then we came right back down, grabbed all of this liquidity. Now let's see if we're gonna start pushing back up. But yeah, those head and shoulders, like, for me, let's find a 1 minute. I mean, an inverted head and shoulders. It's hard to find sometimes. It shows up a lot on the 1 minute. Here's an inverted head and shoulders. Right here. Here. Right? Anyway, I'm done, guys. 2 wins, 2 losses. Bleh. It's fine. Anyway, here's some coupons for you guys. Let's support the Trading Nut as much as we can in any aspect. So just watch these and you won't regret it.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackpool Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackpool Markets, saving you up to...
Whoops, sorry.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackpool Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackpool Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackpool Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian's the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days required?
Oh shit, sorry.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackpool Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackpool Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackpool Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian's the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
Well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care, be safe. FOMC is tomorrow, so just be wary of the rest of today. We might just range. Who knows? But just be careful. I'll see you guys tomorrow.